How to create a date time equal to 15 minutes ago. I need to create a DateTime object that represents the current time minus 15 minutes.
Import DateTime and then the magic time delta stuff.
This is simply what to do. Timer deltas are specifically designed to allow you to subtract or add deltas, differences, to date times.
E se want to say more, please consider subscribing.